Hello students, this is the second experiment of electrical lab, that is to control one lamp by three-way switches. Domestic lighting circuits are quite simple and they are usually controlled from one point, but in certain cases it might be necessary to control single lamp from more than one point. That example, staircases, long corridors, large halls, etc. So apparatus used in these experiments are lamp, lamp holder, switches and connecting wires and a wooden block. So in case of very long corridors, it may be necessary to control the lamp from three different points. In such cases, the circuit connection requires two-way switches S1 and S2 and two switches, that is S3, and that is these two switches are intermediate switches. An intermediate switch is a combination of two-way switches coupled together. It has four terminals E, F, G, H. It can be connected in two ways, that is straight connection and cross connection. So now we will see the connections of this experiment. So these are the connections of this experiment. So see here, this is the lamp. It is having two ends, right? So from that lamp, one end is connected to the power supply pin and one end we have connected to the switch S1. And from switch S1, one end we connected to the intermediate switch, that is from A to E, and from switch 1 B to intermediate switch F here. And from here, from switch S2, we have connected from C to switch C to G, and from D to H. From D to H, here you can see, from D to H. And from switch S2, middle end, we have connected to the MCB, and one more end from MCB, we have connected to the power pin supply. So these are the connections of this experiment. Now we'll see the output of this experiment. See, when switch 1 in A position and switch 2 in C position, the lamp will be in on condition, and when switch 1 is in A condition and switch B in D condition, lamp will be in off condition. So these are the outputs of this experiment.